Breakup Conversation in English. 100 sentences. Practice English speaking. We need to talk. I want to say something important. I don't think this relationship is working. I feel things have changed. We are not the same anymore. I think we should break up. This decision was not easy. I have thought about this a lot. I need some space. I want to focus on myself. I don't want to hurt you. I still respect you. You deserve happiness. I hope you understand. I am sorry for everything. Thank you for being with me. We had good memories. I learned many things from you. I don't want to argue. Please stay calm. I think this is goodbye. I wish you the best. I hope you achieve your dreams. You will find someone better. It is hard for me too. I don't hate you. I just feel different now. We both changed. I think we need to move on. I want us to be happy. Can we end this peacefully? I never wanted to hurt you. I need time for myself. I cannot continue like this. I respect your feelings. I understand your pain. I know this is difficult. Please take care of yourself. I appreciate everything you did. Thank you for understanding. I think this is the right decision. I need a fresh start. I hope we both heal. I want peace in my life. I don't want more misunderstandings. I need emotional space. I don't want fake happiness. I want honesty. I cannot promise the future. I think we should stop here. I still care about you. But I cannot stay. I hope you forgive me. Please don't blame yourself. We both cried. Things did not work out. I wish things were different. I will remember the good times. Thank you for your support. You taught me many things. I hope you stay strong. We need to accept reality. I want to move forward. I think this is the end. I don't want false hope. Please respect my decision. I understand if you are upset. It will take time. Everything will be okay. We both deserve peace. I want to be honest. I cannot force my feelings. I hope you understand me. I need to choose myself. I wish you success. Thank you for the memories. I hope you smile again. Stay safe and happy. Take care of your health. I wish you all the best. I hope you find peace. We had our moments. I don't regret meeting you. I want a different path now. Thank you for your kindness. I will always respect you. I hope life treats you well. I am grateful for everything. I wish you happiness. Goodbye and take care. We should stop contacting each other. Please give me some time. I hope you understand my choice. Thank you for your patience. I want to end this respectfully. I am choosing peace. I hope you heal soon. We both will be okay. Goodbye and good luck. Thank you for everything. Comment part 2 if you want the next part. Type done after practicing. Comment your English level, beginner/intermediate/advanced. Save this video and comment your favorite line. Did you enjoy this video? Comment yes. Subscribe for daily English speaking videos.